Hey, I'm Kyle, and I'm going to show you how to turn your listing photos into easy videos with no editing and no filming required, and just a few minutes of your time. So to get started, let's click the sign in button in the top right hand side. Now you can use your Gmail address or any other address to get started. In my case, I'm going to use Gmail. So it'll take a few minutes to load here. To get started, we want to upload a photo with a clear background. Your face should be centered with visibility from about your face down to your chest. Your mouth should be closed and a natural expression, and try to avoid any blurry or overexposed or black and white photos. I'll click upload here. I have a photo prepared here already. We can select that, adjust it slightly. That looks good to me, and we can hit next. The next step is optional, but it's to upload your voice to create an automatic voice clone. That voice can then be used in your videos so that we can enforce your own branding. I'm going to get started by pressing the record button here. For recording your voice clone, you want to be in a quiet environment, and you're going to read this sample sentence as cleanly and as naturally as you can. First things first, I can see I've already selected my microphone here, and I can see that it's working. So let's get started. Hi there, I'm Kyle, a local real estate agent right here in Thunder Bay. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading to something new, or looking to sell, I'm here to make the process simple and stress-free. I believe real estate is more than just a transaction. It's about trust, timing, and finding the right fit for your life. Let's find your perfect place together. Let's give that clip a listen to see if it sounds okay. Hi there, I'm Kyle, a local real estate agent right here in Thunder Bay. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading to something new, or looking to sell, I'm here to make the process simple and stress-free. I believe real estate is more than just a transaction. It's about trust, timing, and finding the right fit for your life. Let's find your perfect place together. Great, sounds good to me. So we can press continue. Our next step is to upload our property photos. You can upload up to 60 photos. In this case, I'll click upload, and I have 12 images here of my property. So I can select them all. We can press open. Now the most important thing here is to use high quality exterior and interior shots of the property. The better quality the photos, the better quality the output video will be. So let's hit next. We can see the photos here are uploading. Now that we're done uploading our photos, the next step is to enter the property address. I've got the property address copied here, so we can paste it in. You'll see that it gives us a recommendation, but we're going to go ahead and use the exact address as I entered it. You can enter in any format, and the search will work regardless. All right, so we can see that most of the property details have been automatically retrieved. The price, the beds, the bath, this is all correct. If I notice something that isn't correct here, let's see, the lot size, I can edit the property info, and I can change this to whatever the correct value would be. So I'll save changes. We can see the neighborhood tab here as well. The neighborhood tab is going to automatically populate with nearby healthcare, schools, shopping, any places that might be relevant to that listing. Looks good to me, so I'll hit looks good. Now let's choose the goal of our video. This goal helps the video target your audience better. In this case, I want to showcase a property to generate new buyer leads. So that's what I'll select. And finally, how do we want to arrange our photos? We can either let AI select the best photos for us and generate videos based on them, or if you have a really strong idea of what kind of video you want to make, you can arrange the photos yourself. I'm going to let AI arrange for me. Now to pick a theme. I'm going to go with this theme here. It's my favorite of the four. And I'm going to select portrait as I'm looking for Instagram video. We can edit the opening scene. I'm going to change this here to perfect seaside property. And if you're not sure what to write, you can get some suggestions as well. Let's make sure everything is correct here. In my case, I'd like to hide the number of beds, so I can hide there and we'll see it appear on the video. We can hit next. All right, now we can edit our closing scene. So our call to action, schedule a tour, looks good to me. I'm not going to change that one, but I can verify my name is correct, my email is correct, and now I can add my logo. So I have my logo ready here, and let's add a team logo as well. Perfect. Actually, maybe let's hide this logo here. That looks good. And we can hit next. Since we added logos, we can save these to our profile for all the future videos we create. In my case, I'll say update profile. Now we get to select our voice and avatar. This is where our image and our voice from before come into play. We have a voice cloning here, which we created automatically. Let's give it a listen and see how it sounds. The first move is what sets everything in motion. Great, sounds good to me. So the voice is perfect. Now we can select the avatar that we created before, and we can choose to animate or not animate the avatar. Let's animate it, and we can see that it's already in the top right corner. Finally, selecting background music. Let's take a look here. Luxury apartments. We can give that a listen. Sounds good to me. And finally, we can decide if we want our captions to be full narrations or just keywords. Since it's for Instagram, I prefer just keywords. And we can create the video. Now you can see in recent videos, the video is starting to be created. And in recent properties, we can also see that the property we created is available for editing as well. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to create, so let's see what it looks like when it's done. All right, it's been about 10 minutes and we can see the video is completed now. Let's take a look. We've got an auto-created description here with some hashtags as well. And let's take a look at the video. Discover this brand new waterfront estate, perfectly set on over an acre in Sarasota Bay. An infinity pool beautifully reflects the vibrant sunset over the harbor. The contemporary living room offers panoramic views through floor-to-ceiling windows. Sleek modern architecture defines this stunning multi-story home. Your primary suite is a peaceful retreat with breathtaking ocean views. The gourmet kitchen features a massive marble island, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Enjoy endless outdoor living with multiple terraces and lush tropical landscape. Imagine your new home office with these truly inspiring and motivating waterfront views. The private balcony is your perfect spot for morning coffee or evening cocktails. Ready to experience this incredible lifestyle for yourself? Connect with Kyle Robinson today to schedule a tour. So that's it. Good luck making your new listing videos with vProp.